Ether are alkoxy derivative of alkane. Alkoxy, RO is a alkoxy, and this R is derived from alkane, so that it is said to be alkoxy derivative of alkane, right? These ether are again classified into two types, that is simple ether and one is mixed ether. In simple ether, this is R1O R2. So here R1 is equal to R2, that is said to be simple ether. But in case of mixed ether, R1 R2 are not same, means two different alkyl groups are attached, that is said to be mixed ether. और सिंपल ईथर में क्या होगा, दोनों अल्काइल ग्रुप सेम होता है, राइट? दैट इज सेड टू बी सिंपल ईथर एंड मिक्स्ड ईथर. Now mechanism, see here mechanism, how this ether is prepared from alcohol, right? As you know, we have studied the property, alcohol act as a electrophile, right? In that, when alcohol act as a electrophile, there we will get a product as a ether. If you know remember the property of alcohol. So here alcohol is taking as a reactant which on protonation to form protonated alcohol. This protonated alcohol is on dehydration, to form carbocation, and that carbocation is react with another molecule of alcohol to form protonated ether. This I am circling, this is a protonated ether. This protonated ether is on deprotonation, H वहाँ से रिमूव हो जाएगा और ये ईथर बन जाता है. तो वेरी सिंपल, फर्स्ट यू लिसन, रिमेंबर द प्रॉपर्टी, अल्कोहल एक्ट एज अ इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. जब अल्कोहल को हम इलेक्ट्रोफाइल कहते हैं तो अल्कोहल इलेक्ट्रोफाइल बनाएंगे बाय प्रोटोनेशन, फर्स्ट स्टेप. देन डिहाइड्रेशन से कार्बोकेटायन बनेगा, फिर वो जो कार्बोकेटायन है वो रिएक्ट करता है अल्कोहल से टू फॉर्म प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल. दैट प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल इज ऑन deprotonation to form ether as a product. Now also Williamson synthesis is given. So simply Williamson synthesis is that alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide, RONA. So here NaX is to be given out, ROR is to be formed, that is the ether, ROR. This is the simple method of Williamson synthesis of ether. Now property of ether, as we know, property of ether, as we know, ether are polar, means it contain polarity, but insoluble in water and have low boiling point than alcohol compared to molecular mass, because ether do not form hydrogen bonding. And also beta, ROR, R is a electron releasing group, R is a electron, so release to increase the electron density at oxygen. So there is a, due to this electron density, it is a less stable, so its boiling point is very low as compared to alcohol. Similarly the structure, see here structure is given, the hybridization of oxygen atom in ether is sp3. See here sp3, why? Because see here there is single bond, these two lone pair, so they are form sp3 hybridization oxygen, and hence the structure is tetrahedral and its shape is V, and the bond angle, see here, V, and the bond angle is 117.7 degree from ether, that is dimethyl ether, its structure is 117.3 degree. Now this is homework for you beta, because this is also ether, and ether react with electrophilic substitution reaction. And as we discuss electrophilic substitution reaction in phenol, same thing here in ether. See here, this is the halogenation, this is nitration, this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation, right? This is acylation, this is alkylation, nitration, bromination, that is halogenation. All these reaction you studied. If you are not possible to get it answer, please ask me, I will give you, that is the HW homework for this. Just write and prepare yourself. If it is not, then you reply me, I will give right answer to you.